I did not expect it to be this little stop to become a full-on mountain climb. Me and my pregnant stomach gets really out of breath really fast. But when you see that there is a path and it says there's a cabin up there, I just have to go. I have to check it out. We're just gonna continue breathing and see where we will end up, because I have no idea. I am on a little road trip after visiting the office where I work. And this place, I've been driving by it so many times and thought to myself, I'm gonna stay here sometime and take a little rest and check it out, because it's such an amazing place. It's so beautiful with mountains and water. But, you just don't. You think you're gonna do it, but then you don't. So today, on my way home, it's early morning, fog on the lake. It was finally time.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
Coming.
Come to my table, come to my bed, go easy my hunger, easy my head, bringing me fire, bringing me water, taking me high, taking me down.
I may have underestimated this little pit stop that I was just gonna do on my way home. But this is what happens when you have a curious mind, I guess. Fingers crossed we'll be rewarded with a great view. As I walk among the old pines, I notice something curious. Some of their trunks aren't straight. They twist, slowly spiraling as they reach towards the sky. For centuries, people have wondered why. Some thought that the crown of the tree was simply trying to turn towards the sun. Others believed it was the wind shaping the trunk. There were even those who suggested that Earth's own rotation might play a role. But today, the most likely explanation lies hidden in the wood itself. The cells inside a tree don't line up perfectly straight. Their walls are slightly slanted, and when new cells grow, they build up on this angle. over time the trunk begins to spiral. This effect is easiest to see in old, slow-grown pines. The twisted forms are like a memory of the tree's long struggle with time, weather, and growth.
I think we might be getting closer to our goal. At least the super steep hill has flattened out a bit. So now maybe I can capture my breath for a little while. The views are already stunning as you can peek through the trees. Oh God, I am completely sweating. I do not have the right shoes for this. Let's try balance here. I can see a chimney.
Once, deep in the forests, lumberjacks built simple huts of logs. Here they slept, ate, and gathered their strength, while the days were spent felling timber until their hands grew numb. This cabin carries that memory. The last man to live here, Niels Serene, worked these woods until the mid-1960s. These huts are gone now, but the spirit remains, of firelight in the dark, of hard work and shared silence. Today, this cabin stands open for wanderers, a place to pause, breathe, and take in the vast view.